Hi everyone, for today's video, I will teach you how to create your email signature. Alright, so just log in with your Google Chrome, type in free email signature generator. There you go. And we have a lot of options here, but as for me, I always choose this one, free email signature template generator by HubSpot. Click lang natin yan. And there you are. Alright, so we have 4 tabs here. You have your template, the details. We can customize the color over here. And of course, our very own profile picture. Okay, so let's first start with the template. So meron tayong 6 na pwedeng pagpilian dito. But for me, I choose this one, template 1. So ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating email signature sa ating mga Gmail account. Okay? And then, write down your details. Like for me, there you go. Let's say I am a sales executive for the job title. And the marketing department of ABC company. Alright. Okay. Type in your phone number or your office number. And then if you have your website, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito, together of course with your email address. And all of your social media links. So for me, I have my LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. So ipipaste lang natin dyan yung ating website. So I have my Facebook here. And there you go. As well as my LinkedIn. Alright. There's it over here. And my Instagram account. Okay, so as you can see, we have the links here. I have my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And of course, for the third tab, we can customize the color and the fonts here. Like this one, pwede nating palitan yan according to our preference. And the link color, pwede din. There you go. If you want to change the font, pwede mong gawin yan dito, like that. Okay. You can make it bigger or smaller. And of course, for our profile picture, it says here that we have to upload an image to your Dropbox or Google Drive or similar site and paste the URL here. So what we have to do is just go back to your Google Drive. Let's see here. I have my Google Drive here. And then upload a picture. File upload. And picture. There you go, like this one. Okay, upload complete and copy the link, share, and then you have your link here. Just copy the link and then go back to your free email signature generator and then paste the URL in the profile picture, and there you go. You have now your photo, your details, and your social media link. Okay, then create signature. Since this is a free website, we just have to answer this by typing or clicking yes. Okay, then confirm and submit. Alright, so once it's done, we just have to copy the signature over here Copy signature, copied. Then go to your Gmail setting. Here, this gear, Gmail setting. And then just drop down here in the signature and then create one. Okay, just paste the link. Create as well as on the other side. Create. There you go. You have now your email signature, and then do not forget to link this. Alright, and save changes. To make sure na nagawa natin siya ng tama, try to compose a new message. There you go. You have now your email signature over your new message. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you all in our next video. Bye!